The surface area of a closed rectangular box which is inscribed in a sphere is 846 square centimeter. The sum of the length of all its edges is 144 centimeter. The volume in cubic centimeter of the sphere is. So first, this is the cubical box or rectangular box we are talking about. So the length, let's assume, is L, this is B, and this is height H. It is inscribed in a sphere like this. The surface area, so surface area of a cubical box is twice of LB plus LH plus BH equal to 846, and sum of all its edges, sum of all edges, sum of all edges will be 4 times L plus B plus H is equal to 144, which means L plus B plus H is equal to 36. Now, we have L plus B plus H, we have twice of LB plus LH plus BH. We want to calculate the volume of the sphere. In order to calculate the volume of the sphere, so volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we need to calculate r here. R is the radius of the sphere, which we can calculate by calculating the body diagonal of the cuboid, which will be the diameter of the sphere. So how do we calculate the body diagonal? So body diagonal is under root L square plus B square plus H square, which will be the diameter of the sphere. Now, we have L plus B plus H equal to 36. So, squaring both sides, L plus B plus H square is equal to L square plus B square plus H square plus twice of LB plus LH plus BH. We have this formula. Now plug in the values here. So I'm writing here, it is 36 square is equal to L square plus B square plus H square plus twice LB LH plus BH is equal to 846. So let's write it here. 36 square is 14196, and this will be 1296 minus 846 equal to L square plus B square plus H square, or L square plus B square plus H square is equal to 450. This is also equal to D square because we want body diagonal, that is the diameter of this sphere. So if I want this under root, it will be this, and in that case D will be, this can be written as 225 into 2, which is 15 root 2. So we have the D or diameter as this, and diameter is twice the radius, so we can calculate R, which is 15 root 2 by 2 or 15 by root. So let's plug in the values. It is 4 by 3 pi 15 by root 2 cube, which means 15 by root 2, 15 by root 2 into 15 by root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2, and then this gets cancelled, it will be root 2. 3 5s are. So 15 into 15 into 5 into root 2 pi. 15 into 15 is 225 into 5 is 1125 pi root 2. So the volume of the sphere is 1125 pi root 2. Option B is the right answer.